Rob Frazier here. This video wanted to talk about Digital Wealth Pro overview slash review slash update with the new product level package. I'm gonna call it a rumor, but I think it's coming from a pretty valid source. So first off, there's 3 levels in Digital Wealth Pros. The $297 that pays out instant $200 commissions. $497 pays out instant $400 commissions. $997 level pays out instant $800 commissions. Just got an email from Jason Joyner. This page right here, he drops a few little teasers. He has a little bit of speculation talking about folks who are at the highest level right now today, or who joined the highest level over the course of the next couple days until they release the new product. I'm sure there'll be a little cooling off period after the fact as well. If you're at the highest level, the $997 level right now, you will get updated or upgraded to the new product package level when it releases. Here on his website, he has estimated price $1997 with instant $1,000 savings. Basically, he's speculating, but he's, kind of high up in there. I know he's pretty close to the owners and stuff like that, but he's talking about they may pay out a $1,600 commission at that highest level. $1,600 instant commission. But again, he's not releasing too many details, but that's what I got from his email. That's what I got from this video. And so what you get when you join those different levels, you get different products. Here, this is the bronze level, the $297 level. This is the gold, the $497, and this is the platinum, which is the $997 level. For the longest time, I kind of had a love-hate relationship with selling digital products, and especially courses like this. However, I will say that these courses are probably some of the best courses that I have come across. And I've been a part of I wasn't going to name drop other companies, but I've been in other companies where the products were outdated, basic PLR type products, and they just didn't have enough, say, true value to them. And if you ask me, these products, and I may be a little biased, however, I will honestly say that you get your money's worth when you get these products. Plus, I got some pretty insane bonuses. I'll throw a link in the description of this video, or I'll put a little card to the bonuses I'm going to give you if you join me at different levels. However, going back, what I usually do is whenever I buy an information product or am in a company like this, I will go through the products and I will take what I've learned from that product, I'll put it out into a video, and then at the end of that video or blog post or social media post, I'll say, hey, if you want more information like this, go here. And what I mean by here, I mean my Digital Wealth Pros website to promote it. So what I do is I actually go through the products, because I know a lot of people in affiliate marketing, they join a program and then it just goes straight to promoting it without actually ever going through the products. And so what I do is I'm actually that old-fashioned knucklehead who actually goes through the products, and then I use the content that I learned from those products to create content to get traffic, to get sign up in that very same program. And part of that process is actually going through the products and actually learning different things. And when you get this product, this program, when you decide to partner with me in Digital Wealth Pros, you actually learn a few things. The emails that convert, very, very valuable. The keyword secrets, and I'm just mentioning the ones that at the top of my head have given me the most value, although I haven't gone through every single course yet. But the ones that stand out to me: emails that convert, keyword secrets, list building, leadership development. I had a heck of a time with that because I got out. I spent 12 years in the Marine Corps and I got out. And you simply can't talk to people the same way you can talk to Marines. And even if you watch my old YouTube videos, you can see the difference. So, you know, that's all I'm going to say on that, but I got some valuable insights from the leadership development course, the marketing series, the power of mindfulness. This whole thing is a mindset game. A lot of folks said you got to work harder on yourself than you do your business, and that never made sense to me. But after going through a few things, paying off a six-figure debt through affiliate marketing, getting back in debt, and having to work on my confidence, and just, you know, I got involved in a couple programs that crashed, and that affected my confidence and my self-esteem. And then I'm really learning that it's not just a money game. It's a mindfulness. One person said it's a personal development wrapped up in a product, and I'm now finally starting to understand that. So I got that from the Power of Mindfulness course. It's you do have to work on yourself more than you work on your business. And for me, it was just so counterintuitive. It didn't make sense. It's like, dude, I just want to make money, but that sort of energy and vibe will not have you making money. You really do have to work on yourself, have to lead people, have to be compassionate, have to listen, have to learn to communicate better, there's so much, plus whatever else you stir up, different problems you're having in your family life, your weight, your health, everything plays a part. And it's just like, man, I didn't realize how much stuff was connected. And when you start stirring up stuff, more stuff gets stirred up, and you think you got it down and you got to a certain level, and you realize it's just a whole new world of stuff. So anyways, that's what I got from there. And from the platinum level, the outsourcing, which is a problem of mine, I upload my videos, I edit my own videos, I do my own captions and everything. Outsourcing is something that I need to work on, learning how to do it in that outsourcing course right here. Bing ad series. There's so many different places to get traffic from, especially Bing. It's like highly underused and underrated. You'll learn how to do that there. And I'm not trying to make this video too long, but these courses are actually pretty valuable in my opinion. Paid traffic sources got a few new places to get traffic from that nobody else is using. And that's the funny thing is you have these courses, you give them to people, or people join, but they don't actually apply what they're learning in the course that they bought. And so that's my whole thing. If you join at any level, make sure you go through the product, and it will definitely help you. So, anyway, wrapping this video up, those are the levels. They're coming out with a new level. I did another video where I talk about bonuses, and part of my bonuses is I create videos like this that you can use to turn around and promote this opportunity for yourself. And a part of that, if my website ever decides to load here, is share codes to these pages here where you can use my videos, going over the same overview, going over the bonuses, going over super simple ways to promote the opportunity that you can use to promote Digital Wealth Pros as well. And this right here is just an example of one of those pages. You know, you join me, you'll get access to all of this, so you can use this same stuff to promote the business. Pays out instantly. There's nothing that beats an instant cash paying business. Having daily cash flow really increases your confidence, increases your mentality. It gives you that strong belief that you can actually do this. And when you get paid a $200 instant commission, an $800 instant commission, a $400 instant commission, it'll really put a smile on your face and brighten up your day. I don't care who you are. So that being said, wrapping this video up, my name is Rob Frazier, and the link in the description will be a capture page. Go ahead and click it and opt in. Get on my email list, see how I promote this plan, and I look forward to working with you. My name is Rob Frazier, links are below. We'll see you in the next one.